If you want to create a polished webinar presentation in PowerPoint, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to record your slides, add narration, use the pen tool if needed, and then export everything into a finished video that you can share like a professional webinar. This is a simple workflow, and it's perfect whether you're making training content, a business presentation, or an online course. And before we jump in, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open PowerPoint on your computer and load the presentation you want to turn into a webinar. Once your slides are ready, look at the top menu and click on Recording. This is where PowerPoint keeps the tools for capturing your presentation with voice and on-screen actions. After that, click on Record Slideshow. This option lets you record your slideshow from inside PowerPoint, including your voice, your slide timings, and any annotations you want to make while presenting. When the menu opens, click on Record from Beginning. This is the best option if you want the full presentation recorded from the very first slide. Now PowerPoint will prepare the recording mode. When you're ready, click Start and begin speaking into your microphone. This is where you walk through your webinar just like you're presenting it live. Take your time, speak clearly, and move through your content slide by slide. If you want to highlight something important, you can use the pen tool during the recording. That's really useful for circling key points, drawing attention to important text, or making your presentation feel more interactive and engaging. As you continue recording, keep an eye on your pacing and make sure your narration matches what's on the screen. If you make a mistake, don't worry too much. You can always stop and re-record later if needed. Once you've finished presenting the slides, click Stop to end the recording. After that, press Escape to exit the recording mode and return to your normal PowerPoint workspace. Now that your presentation has been recorded, the next step is exporting it as a video. Go up to File, then click Export. In the export options, choose Create a Video. This is the setting that converts your PowerPoint presentation into a video file that can be uploaded to YouTube, shared with clients, or used as a webinar replay. When you see the video creation settings, make sure to select Use Recorded Timings and Narrations. This is very important because it tells PowerPoint to include the audio and slide timings you just recorded. Without this option, your exported video might not include the narration correctly, so double check that this setting is selected before moving on. Once everything looks good, click Create Video. PowerPoint will then begin rendering your presentation into a video format. Depending on how long your presentation is, this may take a little while, so be patient while it processes. After the video is ready, choose where you want to save it, give it a clear name, and then save the file to your computer. And that's it. You've just learned how to make a webinar presentation in PowerPoint from start to finish. You can now present with your voice, use visual annotations, and export the whole thing as a professional video. If this tutorial helped you out, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next step-by-step guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.